Okay, this is a quick video that demonstrates how we operate the Macap espresso machine. This was brought to us in a few pieces, but we were able to put it back together. There's a new zero to the machine, so once these are aligned, it's actually the bird's going to be touching each other and it might seize. So this is fine enough. If you want to go any finer you can, but it is not recommended. It's actually going to be a good place to be somewhere around here. And then I'm just gonna put something here so the grounds won't fly around. And then I'm just gonna operate it. And you can see, and I'm just gonna go a little closer. I'm going to turn this off. This is actually pretty fine as is. I think you can actually go even further over here-ish. Depends how the type of beans you use. But yeah, this is working well. Over here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.